Hello everyone, today we are reviewing a punching bag. It did come in two pieces, so it looks like there's quite a few accessories. So we're going to put this together and see how it works. Okay, my friends, stage one, put these long bolts that came with these yellow things straight up from underneath. And then place one of the yellow things down in, and then you're going to drop in a spring in each one. You want to have well, it's going to look like this. It's going to face up like that. And we're just going to place these down right in here. And now we're going to face the other one down in as well. Make sure you line it all up. Get the springs inside from top and bottom. Like that. Place this piece on top, then you can put the bolts, the washers on. You don't have to make it tight, and I'll explain why in a moment. So put them on until they are hand tight. Don't use any tools yet. Now lift it up underneath and make sure all the heads of the bolts are in. So as you guys can see, it's down inside. Make sure all of them are in as far as they can go before you make it completely tight. Now that the heads are in there, we're going to go ahead and make these tight. What's nice is they do give you the wrench for turning the bolts. So that is very, very nice. A lot of companies don't do that. So guys, then twist it until the bolts are sticking out, kind of like that. It says 2 centimeters. We kind of went by the photo that it shows there. I didn't feel, honestly, I'm a little lazy. I didn't feel like measuring. So we went by the little bolt sticking up, so it's about similar to that height sticking up, and that's going to be good enough. Now we're going to go ahead and place this down and make sure, let's see, yeah, you want to push it to the bottom. I do want to point out that this has been extremely easy so far. Okay, now that you're going to be putting on the bag, the punching bag itself, you want to make sure this hole aligns with this hole. So have it aligned up. So just like this. So then you put the bolt through like this. Now what you probably are going to have to do to make it tight, you're going to have to place this wrench over it. And then you might have to get another wrench or another tool or maybe a cloth or a shirt and hold the bolt with the other hand so you can make it tighter. Because if not, it's just going to want to spin. So that's just a tip for you guys. Make sure for these you hand tighten each bolt first. That way, if something's misaligned, you can just simply unthread it. So try and line up all the holes. Okay guys, so we have it set up. We don't have sand yet. We need to order some. Please ignore the mess. I'm working on converting this room into a fitness room. So everything is pretty much destroyed. But we have it all set up. And honestly, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. This is going to be excellent exercise. This is going to be a lot of fun, guys. Oh my goodness. The workout, and we don't have sand in yet, so please keep that in mind. That's why it's moving. But you can still do it without sand. Light punches and jabs. I mean, you can just hit pretty hard. You just can't go full force. So, we're gonna get sand, but I'm happy with this. I'm actually very happy. This is going to be a great workout.